Okay, so when we're multiplying fractions by fractions, we draw models to help us. And we also have an algorithm, and I'll help you with that in a minute. So if we want to do a fraction times a fraction, for example, 1/4 of 2/3. Now, of can represent the multiplication symbol. Then what we do is we first model 1/4. So you can see I have 4 lines going here, 4 parts, and I've shaded in one of them. And then the other direction we model 2/3. So you can see I've done 3 lines here, and I've shaded in 2 of them. So 1/4 and 2/3. Now where they overlap is your answer. So that's 2 parts, so that's my numerator, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts total. Okay, so let's try one from scratch. All right, 5/6 of 1/5. And I know of means to multiply. So 5/6 times 1/5. So first I'm going to represent 5/6. So in my model, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6 parts are shaded in. Now I'm going to use the other direction and multiply fifths, or model 1/5 going the opposite direction. So I drew 1, 2, 3, 4 lines to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. And now I'm going to shade in one of those fifths. And just shade it all the way across. Okay? Now your answer is where they overlap, where they have both things shaded. So all of these parts have both shaded. They shaded when I did 5/6, and they shaded when I did 1/5. Now this was only part when I did 1/5, so that's not a part of 5/6. So I'm not going to count that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See where they haven't shaded? I'm not going to count that part. I'm only counting where they overlap right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 parts total. So where the 2 shades overlap is where your answer is. Where it's just the other number shaded on its own, that's left out. But you always look at the number of parts in the whole thing. So finally, let's say I want to multiply 2/5 times 1/3. Now I don't have to draw a model. I could just do the algorithm where I multiply straight across. 2 times 1 is 2, and 5 times 3 is 15. So my answer is 2/15. It's that simple to do the algorithm.